found this in a car boot sale, and I thought it might be good to make something out of this. I'm not really interested in this writing or anything like that, but at the back there was a battery in there, so when I opened it up, oh, that's batteries in there. I'll put the battery in there. So what I'll do, I'll switch it on, and it illuminates. There you go. I'll show you like this. Right. So what's the idea? The idea is a light box. Now it's a very small light box for drawing, so you can put some picture on there, and then put your paper on top of that picture, like that, and then you can draw. What do you call it? Sketch around it. So that's the idea, but I got to try and get this off. If not, then I have to buy a new one of these, and that's just a very simple project there, nice and easy light box for your drawing, sketching, copying, etc. So here we go. I've taken the screws out, and that's all there is. So it's got strip LEDs, and obviously connected to the battery, straightforward, and goes to the other side, which I think is a really lovely little thing. And this is very rough indeed, and you're stuck in there with this holding it in its place like that, and that's it. So like I said, that looks really sketched into it, so I'm not sure if I can take it out. I shall try. If not, I shall try and get a new one, put it in there. So I took these off. They were really nicely put in there. A little bit difficult to come out, but that's it there. There you go. So that's it. Very thin indeed. Look how thin that is. Very thin indeed. And I don't think it's going to cost a lot to buy one, to be honest with you, but matter of finding out where to get one. There you go. Hey guys, well, I used some warm soap and water and I got it all off, so I thought I had to buy a new one, but no, I don't. So it's very, very thin indeed. So I'm just going to put it back together. I'm quite happy with that. There's a nail here for some reason to stop it going any further. Very simple project indeed, when I figured out how these go back in. Well guys, I'm so surprised that I got everything off with soap and water, warm water, and it just all came off, which is brilliant. And it was a little bit of a struggle to put it back in because all these were all over the place, but they're in now and it's pretty firm. It's very thin indeed, so it's very good because the light will shine through even better. There's the light box. You can see the it's shiny. What we'll do is we'll put something on there to have a look how it works. So okay guys, I found a book of my son and try it with that. There it is. I'm not an expert, so please don't expect anything good. I can't see it clearly. I can see it clearly here, but I can't see it on my camera. There you go. So guys, what I found is that when all the other lights are off and just this is on, and here's a photo of myself, and you put this on like that, you can see it's very clear indeed, the outline, and you can draw around that very easily, see all the features and everything else. So yeah, this little light box really works well indeed, and I think it's a really good project. Very easy. You can buy this stuff if you can find it online somewhere, and just make it into a light box. Thank you for watching, guys, and thumbs up. Take care. Bye.